Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, view and test. Today I have this SwitchBot Meter Pro CO2 monitor air quality in a smarter way. Supports Alexa, Google, Siri, IFTTT and SmartThings. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. It's a compact multifunctional device designed to measure and monitor indoor air quality with a focus on CO2 levels. It's ideal for maintaining a healthy environment at home, in offices or other indoor spaces. And included at the box we have the cable type A to type C, 1 meter, premium cable, I like the thickness, flat cable, some manual, and the meter. At the top we have one button, the CO2 monitor, temperature and humidity sensor, comes with a wall mount and adjustable bracket, can be hung or place it upright 90 degrees or 42 degrees. Type-C port, you can use the cable. Nice. Or you have the option with the batteries included. Two 2A batteries. Pull that and now it is on. And whenever you want, you can use the cable. You need a 5V 2 amps. So if I'm going to remove one of these batteries, it's still working. You can have the batteries for a backup when the power is off. Large and beautiful display, easy to read. We can see the time, the date, the CO2 level, it is very high, okay. The temperature and the humidity, the comfort level pointer, dry, comfort or wet. Indoor temperature, if you want you can install an outdoor sensor, I will show you how you can do that. With one press of the button you can go at Fahrenheit, Celsius again, press and hold, we have the Bluetooth icon. So now I can connect this Meter Pro at the SwitchBot app. SwitchBot app, I have some other devices from SwitchBot and we can see the CO2 level right now it is on green. That is okay, I like it. Add the device. Meter Pro, there it is. Bluetooth on, is flashing. Next. Connect device. You can rename the device, select room, next, and done. Good, Meter Pro. And is connected automatically at my hub. We can see the temperature, humidity, CO2 level. You can refresh, absolute humidity, dew point, vapor pressure deficit, and we have some data, hour, day, week, month, year. You can go back and check all the data. Supports 38 days local storage and 2-year app storage. You can adjust the diagram, CO2, so many data, I like that. Some informations for every measurement. store data in cloud, export data or clear. Export 1 minute to 24 hours, start time, adjust the hour and the minute and the date, and the end, and export. Now let's move on at the settings. You can rename the device, change room, home, panel display, got it. And we can see the informations, time settings, date format, day, month, 24 hours or 12 hours, auto sync, temp and humidity source, and you can choose from other sensors, bedroom, hub 2, outdoor K, front balcony, or temp and humidity at your home location. Meter Pro. Data update interval 5, 10 or 30 minutes, and for the CO2. Panel icons, indoor or outdoor, indoor. Weather forecast. CO2 level settings, you can adjust. We can see good, moderate and pure. Restore to reference values. Alert conditions. Alert sound and light. Flash only, flash and sound. High, low, medium. Temperature alert. Let's say when it is. There it is. Sound and flashing. I like it. Or you can reverse. Humidity alert. Both right now. And only the humidity. CO2, you can adjust and you will get alerts. And for the absolute humidity, dew point alert, VPD alert, and you can reverse. So many alerts, I like that. Third-party services, you can connect with all that. NFC, view data history, okay. Help and feedback, firmware and battery, device info, and that is all the settings. It has an accurate and reliable sensors, so you can measure temperature, humidity or CO2. I like that. Part of SwitchBot ecosystem, displays local outdoor temperature and humidity as well as weather forecast icons, helping you plan trips outside in advance. And that's the SwitchBot Meter Pro CO2 monitor. With its precise CO2 detection, real-time updates, smart app integration, customizable alerts, and robust data tracking, it's the ideal device for ensuring healthier indoor air quality. Whether you are working, relaxing, or caring for your family, this monitor helps you stay informed and breathe easier. It is a valuable tool for anyone prioritizing comfort, health, and safety indoors with the SwitchBot ecosystem. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more smart device reviews, tech tips and home improvement ideas. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next video.